we got we have the Milwaukee versus the DeWalt. We got 4" by ½ inch lags screws. We got 2 of them. If you want to help out the channel, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon. Yeah, unfortunately YouTube, that's the way they run their websites, their platform, through likes and subscribers. So if you want to help out the channel so we can make more videos like this, buy some more tools, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be using some adapters and 3/4 inch sockets. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. See which one will get these lags in first. We're going to be doing this at speed 1, and then we're going to be moving to speed 3. Alright, we're going to be starting these off with the Milwaukee. We'll start one here. We'll be starting one here with the Milwaukee. Little crooked, but I would say about the same height. So we're going to be in speed 1. Speed 1. And this one's going to be speed 1. Alright. Alright, seems to be the Milwaukee's winning. So let's I'm not gonna keep going because obviously this one's gonna this one's winning, so this one's gonna put it down faster than the DeWalt. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna put them in 2 different holes, and we're gonna move to speed number 3. Alright, that seems to be pretty level. So we're going to put this one on number 3. And this one's at number 3 already. So let's go ahead and try this out. Alright, that's what happens when you have two powerful tools going at the same time. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, I would say the Milwaukee's a little further in, but just like the Milwaukee, I mean the DeWalt, they're very similar. You got a lot of power here. All right. We got the Milwaukee here on the right and the DeWalt on the left, as you guys did see. Yeah, this one's a little bit just above the wood. This one's flat, almost all the way down, even down a little further down than surface. This one's just above the wood, maybe able to set about a quarter of an inch above from the bottom of the screw or the head. So I would say these are both very comparable, great power. Now we're gonna have the DeWalt take off the one from the Milwaukee, and the Milwaukee take off the one from the DeWalt. Yeah, that's hot. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for more videos deals, and also if you want to help out the channel, make sure you subscribe so we can buy more tools, make more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching.